So here what we have is an impact sleeve made from FastMac. FastMac is the only laptop bag producer that makes a laptop sleeve featuring impact gel. Impact gel is a completely shock absorbent material, and I'm going to give you an example of the type of shock protection that impact gel offers. Now I'm going to use regular M&Ms for my test. I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison here. Here we have some M&Ms in the impact gel. And some more M&Ms in your third-party sleeve. I'm going to go to town on this with this hammer and watch them not break. So that's your impact gel protection. And that's your average laptop sleeve. Take a look at that, folks. We didn't even crack the candy shell. For my next test, I'm actually going to put my personal iPhone. This is my iPhone. It's not a company iPhone or anything like that. This is how confident I am in this product. I'm going to hammer away at this with my iPhone inside of there. Look at that, folks, still intact. We're taking pre-orders today only. Today is the last day to pre-order. We have it available in a 10-inch for the iPad, starting at $29.95. 13 and 15-inch model starts at $39.95. The 17-inch model is $49.95. We're offering free shipping for all pre-orders.
Thanks. Here to tell you about a great company called GoDaddy.com. Go to GoDaddy and register a domain name, get a hosting plan, get 10% off, and use the code STALKER1. That's the code STALKER1. You'll be helping us out, and you'll be helping yourself out. 10% off with the code STALKER1.
My name is Stuart Prestage. I'm the director of Byte Squared. We develop applications for the iPhone, and our flagship application is Office Squared. Office Squared is a spreadsheet editor and a document editor for the iPhone, and it's compatible with Excel files and Word files. It also has Google Docs integration and iDisk integration. This is an Excel file, so as well as being easy to navigate, it's very powerful engine. We handle multiple worksheets, but also there's no limit to the complexity of formulas and equations that we can handle. And let me show you here the functions that we handle straight from Excel. So we actually have 112 functions that we handle, and we're adding more all the time. There's lots of formatting options that you might expect here. And if I click on Format Cells here, I can show you more advanced options. So we can choose, styles and colors, but as well as the look, we can also handle many different data types for the more powerful operations that you might want to do. So here we go, for example, We've got a number of future things that we're going to add to Office Squared. I've mentioned the iPad support, which we're going to be adding in the future. A lot of people are asking for that. Also, we're considering things like printing straight from the application. So, a lot of people have asked us for that. We can accurately control widths of columns and heights of rows. But also, you can do it more quickly with the user interface. We can handle full alignment. We've got merging of cells, wrapping of text here. And a lot of the features that you would expect in here, so copy, paste, cut, inserting rows and columns, deleting rows and Word document straight from my desktop. So I've opened it up here. You can see we handle images, we handle fonts, we handle bullet points, numbering here. And we also handle tables. We handle nested tables, and you can perform various different formatting options. Again, the sort of things you'd expect here. We're actually currently #1 business app in the UK, but also in Germany and France and Australia. Set the alignment of paragraphs. I can indent paragraphs. I can add. It's easy to add bullets and numbering of paragraphs. And also, straight from within the editor, I can insert a table here. So if I wanted to put a table here, I can change the cursor, press insert table, say, I have 5 columns here, create the table. Very easy to use. And I can type straight into here. I can even have nested tables straight from on the iPhone. So you can actually make quite complicated documents here. But also we have things like searching. So we have very powerful searching within both the document editor and the spreadsheet editor. So as an example, and full undo, redo, up to 100 levels in the document editor.
Wonderful. Thanks so much for being on Nerd Stalker. We appreciate your time.